Well, ladies and gentlemen, today going to be pruning back and deadheading my Pampas grass. As you can see here, probably 10 feet tall. I do this every year. Take the old flower heads off, seed heads, give it a good prune back, probably cut it back once now and then once June, July, end of July, just to keep it tidy, because as you can see, you get all the Pampas grass coming out here. It takes up probably 2 or 3 feet of space. By trimming it, you're neatening it up. Well, I find it looks a lot neater, and I can work around it then without cutting myself, and I can plant it a lot closer to it then. So, yep, we will get this started. So yeah, going to be pruning back, get this started. First of all, see here, this is so sharp. If you're working near it, quite easily, if you're a nasty cut on there. So I'll set up the camera, and I'll be using my trusted Stanley shears. These are, I keep these oiled, sharpen them every spring. These are lovely and sharp. So let's get started, shall we? I'm trying to set up my camera, so on my chair, I can show you what I'm getting up to. Hopefully you can see that okay. A bit further back. I think that should be about right. Yeah, that should be about right. I'll be using these, so I'll trusty secateurs, just to cut back the big seed heads. Right, as you can see, giving it a really good prune back there. It's taken 4 or 5 minutes. Yeah, as you can see, been giving it a really good prune back. Just be careful because these parts are quite sharp now. But I've cut back the flower heads which are here, which are so beautiful. Lovely and soft, these seed heads. So yeah, 7 or 8 of those. All I do now is get my rake, my sturdy rake, and I shall just rake at the bottom here, just pulling out any of this dead stuff, and rake all this together, and then I'll show you a video when it's actually all been raked and done. So I'll just get on with that now. Yeah, well, there you go. I might have cut myself. That's why I'm pruning this back, just to try and avoid. Just get that tightened up a little bit better. Yeah, as you can see there, looks a lot tidier, a lot neater. All you need to do then is try and do it with one hand. Get your rake, just rake gently. Just get rid of some of the dead stuff here. Just tidies it up a little bit. And then anything that then starts sticking out again, just need to go around with your hand shears, and that's it. That's how I prune my pampas grass. It's an easy, quick job to do, and it just tidies your garden up so much better. It just looks so much better. I can't believe it. Look at all the extra space I've now got around there. I'll give that a good clearing up shortly, and then I can get some plants put in there then, as soon as the frost stops. I've got some freesias, some other things I want to plant. So some peonies I might put in there, some pelargoniums. Yeah, look really nice there. So yeah, if you've got any questions, hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Sorry about the noise, everybody. Bye.